We truly believe that teaching and learning physics can be made simple, engaging, and enjoyable with the right visual aids. By bringing concepts to life through simulations and interactive visuals, we help students grasp even the most challenging topics, while empowering teachers and reassuring parents that learning can be both effective and exciting. By choosing us as your learning partner, you'll gain access to hundreds of interactive simulations designed to make concepts come alive. Learning physics isn't just about passing exams. It's about seeing the world more clearly. That's what we offer at Physics Uncomplicated. Meet BodhaGPT, the custom AI assistant from Physics Uncomplicated. Designed to be your ultimate study partner for Class 11 and 12 physics. Let's look at an example. When a student asks about Kepler's laws, BodhaGPT instantly explains all 3 laws in clear, simple language. It guides you through step-by-step solved numericals, like calculating a planet's orbital period, and even offers extra practice questions to reinforce your understanding. But BodhaGPT goes beyond just giving answers. By leveraging vector search on trusted textbooks such as NCERT and Professor H.C. Verma, BodhaGPT ensures its answers are perfectly aligned with your syllabus. Physics doesn't have to be complicated. Master it with BodhaGPT by your side. At Physics Uncomplicated, we go beyond textbooks. Our goal isn't just to help you ace exams. It's to make you love physics. Take our rocket launch project. Class 11 and 12 students dive into the world of rocket science, running their own mission control and launching a virtual rocket. It's hands-on, thrilling, and a real taste of science in action. Watch our short demo video and see how physics comes alive. Apart from the rocket launch project, we also offer a fascinating biophysics project on coronary artery disease. In this, students step into the role of a cardiologist, analyzing ECG signals, studying blood flow, and applying the laws of physics to diagnose and treat patients. It's a unique way to show how physics is not just theory, but a powerful tool in saving lives. Enroll at Physics Uncomplicated and become part of a learning culture that goes beyond exams. Here, students discover the joy of physics through exploration and innovation.